for the drive.
We know everywhere we go. We know everything we have to do.
We did everything already.
Yeah, all we want is just to get the people them to come.
It's water down there?
Yeah.
Can we ride to the water?
Like river water.
Can we go?
Yeah.
Or it's too far?
No problem.
Can swim? Or just bathe and thing.
You name him? You didn't give him no name? Okay. I'm gonna name him right now. This is Donkey Kong right now. This is Donkey Kong right here.
Yeah.
So I could just hop on?
Yeah, man. Just go and make him take care.
Oh my God, this is gonna be my first time riding a donkey, man. Oh wow. All right, and I'm gonna use these Jordan hops. Do I gotta be gentle or?
Just gentle.
Oh yeah.
Put over here, gentle.
All right. Oh, oh. Woo.
Squeeze it.
Ow!
Go better. Go more.
Oh. Oh, we're gonna have to get a seat, a saddle. I'm gonna bring a saddle down. Oh yeah.
Take him more walk with him.
Hold on.
Yeah, man. Just press your hand in and back or something. That's kind of, yeah, well, I like my jacket, you know. I said, that easy. We get up in there. Love get up in there.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Okay, Kong. All right, Kong.
We say that you get up with him. By the time we can't do two kicks on the lead out.
No, I'm not gonna let that happen. Oh, good Kong, good Kong.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Oh man.
Come on, you only film for Mali.
So I'm in a good spot?
Yeah, go for the buy and a pay back.
You know, I like girl Lord go lick me up.
I found pay back here, you have it. Come on, friend. Yeah, a big time this man.
Yo, this is my third donkey of the day, okay? Who can say they petted and chill with 3 donkeys in a day from the U.S.? I want to know that. That's the challenge. It's the donkey challenge.
All right. Bigger than them. No one, man.
Come on, do it again.
Quiet, you know?
Yeah, man, fire camp on him, you know. You know, kick up. First, I go with my leading.
She's going for a little stroll in the neighborhood.
I feel like fitting that out myself.
This is the coolest donkey ever.
How long you had him?
Man, about 5 years now, man.
How much you bought him for?
35 grand.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Oh my God, I'm gonna come buy a donkey.